Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Frances and I do videos on fashion, nursing school, and lifestyle. So today I'll be sharing with you my Saint Laurent handbag collection. This is a collection I've been accumulating over the last 6 to 7 years. So not that many bags, but it's enough for me to make a video. So I haven't bought a handbag in a while, but I just want to start and share with you that Saint Laurent is chic, very elegant, and very classy. They don't get enough credit for their style. I mean, because Chanel and Louis Vuitton is so up there, but I really like Saint Laurent. Saint Laurent's me and my husband's go-to for items like accessories. And my husband has lots of sneakers, and he also has his own bag too that I'll be sharing with you today. So let's get right into it and start with my very first Saint Laurent bag. So first is this wallet on chain. This is the large wallet on chain. This is in the color red and it has the gold hardware. So this was my first purchase or first Saint Laurent bag back in 2018, I think. And I love this because, I don't know, I just love red. It's very classic. It's a good pop of color to bring to any outfit. And I love the gold hardware. I don't think any of these have silver hardware, but we'll see. I don't really remember. So inside, you can see here, you can put all your cards in the slot. And there's a zip pouch, a zipper pocket in the center. And then this chain can be detached. You can take it off here or shorten it a little bit by pulling it into the purse itself, or just tucking it in and using it as like a clutch. So this is actually a wallet on chain, and I love this chevron stitching. The chevron stitching on this is very, very pretty. So yes, I'm super happy with this. I love using this once in a while just to give my outfit a pop of color. Next is this black Cameraloo bag. So this was black on black, so the hardware is black and the strap is black. And it has a little tassel here that kind of annoys me when I walk because it hits like the back of my leg. But, so it's one pocket. Inside, black on black. And then it has one like envelope sleeve in there, and that's it. It fits quite a lot in here. I think this is actually, I actually returned this. We got this in Hawaii in 2019, and I believe the straps were kind of tearing here. And so then I exchanged it, and they gladly took it back and replaced it. I believe I don't know if it's because it was within a year of purchasing it, but yeah, they took it in at the San Francisco location after purchasing it from Hawaii. And yeah, I use this. I haven't used this in a while, but I want to start using my purses again. And then something that I had my on for right when they came out, I think in 2019, the Uptown Clutch. So this one is the black smooth leather in black with the gold hardware. And these pretty much don't fit anything. Like you could fit, it's just literally an envelope clutch. And I fell in love with this because it's so chic, and you can just wear it like under your arm, or you can probably get one of those conversion kits like I mentioned in my Louis Vuitton video and put one here and a chain. I actually haven't tried that yet, but yeah, because you could barely fit anything in here. I love it for the look of it. You can fit your phone and your ID, your chapstick and lipstick in here. That's pretty much it. Obviously, it's a night on the town bag. The next purse is one that I really love. It's so very versatile. It's a top handle, but it also comes with an insert of Uptown pouch. So here it is. My best friend actually gifted this to me for my birthday, I think in 2019. I'm not too sure. I believe that year. But he did gift me the actual black one with the black hardware. But unfortunately, I think the handles, whenever the handles would rest on here, it was bleeding into this and peeling this part of the leather. And so I actually went back to the Saint Laurent store, and I'm not that person to return stuff when I get it as a present, but I just was like, I already have a black one. And I asked him, like, do you mind if I return it for a white one? So I got this one. This one is very pretty color. It's like a cream. It's an off-white. And when we purchased it, when we returned the black one, I'll put it here on the screen, the one he originally got me, they were like, this is the color of the season. This was like fall 2019. So what's lovely about this, it's a top handle, so I'll wear it for you here. So you can wear it like this, which is great. And then you can also wear it as a top handle, as a shoulder bag. And the closure, it's a zipper closure, which I freaking love. It's so beautiful. See there, and then it does have the feet, the fancy feet on the bottom. It actually has 5 little feet studs on the bottom. So inside, it has quite the room. This one's the medium one, by the way, and so it has one pocket here, one pocket there, and then like an envelope slip inside. But one of my favorite parts too is the fact that it's a 2-in-1, or I would say 3-in-1, because it's a shoulder bag. It's also not a crossbody, but it's a long shoulder bag, long drop shoulder bag. And then it comes with a white Uptown pouch with the gold hardware. So this is what the bag looks like without the pouch. It has the little Saint Laurent here. Not the logo, but just the, yeah, super cute. And then this is pretty much a freebie clutch that comes with it. And so it's pretty much the white version of my black one. Same size, same smooth leather. It's not the grain leather, so I really love this. And I just love that it's off-white. It's just super clean, and it's usually my summer spring bag because of the color. Winter I would wear it too, but it's just, I'm so scared that my daughter's gonna like scratch it. But yeah, this one I love. It's one of my favorites. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you my husband's bum bag that I got him for Valentine's Day 2020. I'll put down below when he unboxed this, because I gave this to him as a birthday, not a birthday gift, a Valentine's Day gift. And we did an unboxing of the gifts that we had that year. And so I believe I purchased this one on Essence. So this one does not have the Saint Laurent logo emblem there, but it's very subtle. And that's what I love about Saint Laurent too. Like, they have a lot of subtle options. Like, you can't really tell that it's Saint Laurent. So inside it's pretty much a straight up bum bag with the little card slots inside and one slip pocket. Also, it's a zip closure. And then there's a black zipper pocket on the back. And then the buckle, the hardware is pretty much silver. Kind of reminds me of Prada, but also it is adjustable. So this is how it would look on me. Just like that. Or you can wear it as a belt bag, which I have not tried the belt bag, and I haven't seen my husband wear it as a belt bag either, but let's just show you for this video's sake. Just like that. Perfect for Disney. And so lastly are the 3 small leather goods that I have from Saint Laurent. First off is this card holder. So this one I purposely got. It's in the chevron print with the little monogram. I love their card holders. They have 2 pockets on each side, and then the center pocket here. And then I think I got this, I don't know who got this for me, if someone got it for me, but purposely got it, and so it matches my Uptown Clutch here. And then see, so perfectly you could perfectly fit a card case holder in here. And I also put my phone just to show you. My phone, I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, I think, and then if it's here, if I place it correctly, and yeah, there you go. It's kind of bulky, but not too much. So if you try to put something else, maybe a lipstick, it'll just be just enough to like not keep bulging, and it will stay closed. The other small leather good is this little micro nano, whatever you want to call it, camera bag. So this one is in like the taupe. There's no pockets inside. My husband got this for me for Valentine's Day, and I size it this way so my daughter can wear it actually. So she wears it sometimes as a crossbody, and so we shorten it with the chain here. So pretty much looks like a mini version of this camera loo bag. Super cute, and I love the color and the hardware, the gold, so I wear it sometimes. It's pretty much just card holder size, so see here. But it's so cute. I freaking love it because it's a little tassel too. And then lastly is this wallet. So it's like a coin wallet in the taupe. It kind of pretty much matches the little card case bag or micro bag. This one was gifted to me by my sister for my birthday in 2022. And so inside there's a slip pocket in the back, and it's like an envelope opening, and then inside has like 4 card slots, so 2 on each side here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that's it for all my Saint Laurent handbag collection. So I hope you enjoyed what I shared with you today. And if you have any questions or comments about on any of the handbags that I shared today, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll also link everything down below in the description box for you to browse if you are thinking about purchasing any of these items. All right. Well, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this. All right. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.